Hello everyone. Let's start our chapter 4 Geography Agriculture. So today our topic is major crops. So a large variety of crops are grown to meet the requirement of growing population. As you know, the population is growing increasing day by day. So for population, we require lots of protection. So large variety of crops grown only because to fulfill the desire and the requirement of growing population. And the different crop are growing in different climatic conditions. Crop or are also very important, and crop also supply raw material to other, which the industry those based on agriculture product. So that industry known as agro-based industry, like the bread industry, biscuit industry. So these industries need raw material. Which raw material? Wheat, for run its industry for making product. So these are known as the agro-based industry, the those industry based on agriculture product for raw material. So the crop are grown to supply raw material to these agro-based industry. So the major crops which are raw material provide the raw material to other industry like wheat, rice, maize, millets, potato, vegetable hai. Jute and cotton are fiber crop, and it is all and other beverage crop like tea and coffee. Jute and cotton are also provide raw material to textile. It is important for textile industry. So let's start with rice. Yes, as you know, the rice is also like wheat. The rice is also a staple diet. So rice is a major crop of the world, and it grow in certain climatic condition and temperature. So first, everyone, please you write down here name of the crop rice. I tell you that it is now. I tell you that about the rice that it is rice. It is said to have originated in India more than 5,000 years ago and spread to other part of the world. It's obtained from paddy, जिसे हिंदी हम धान की फसल कहते हैं, और paddy it comes out या obtained from paddy, which is a processed in mills. The burn and the husk are used as fodder as well as fuel. Okay, the rest part which is left after the rice, so that husk and the burn are used as a fodder and as well as fuel. So the rice is a main crop. So first, which type of the climate temperature it requires for growing? So it requires the temperature over 20 degrees Celsius. Required temperature over 20 degrees Celsius. Write down everywhere, everyone. Temperature required over 20 degrees Celsius during growing. 20 degrees Celsius growing. For growing, it required 20 degrees Celsius temperature. And for harvesting, for ripening, it required for पकने के लिए ripening के लिए it required 20 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius for ripening. ठीक है? Now what the amount of rainfall required for the next one is the amount of rainfall. Which kind of rainfall? Amount of rainfall it requires 100 to 150 centimeter. Highest rainfall 100 to 150 centimeter. 100 to 150 centimeter rainfall required for growing rice crop. Now the next one, which kind of the soil? As you know, the plenty of water required for growing rice. So soil should be alluvial, favorable, loamy soil. Okay, why it require alluvial soil? Which can retain water. Alluvial soil. Why only alluvial soil? जिसपे पानी टिका रहे. Because it require water, plenty of water for growing. Okay, which can retain water. Alluvial soil can retain water. Now if we talk about the area, so in our country, the southern area of our country. Now other one, like it is very common in India, Japan, Sri Lanka, Egypt. Because and it's the climatic condition as in West Bengal, Bangladesh, 2 are the 3 crop grown in the year. So Japan, India, Sri Lanka are the area where the rice cultivation grows. Okay. Now come to the next one is the wheat. Write down here wheat. First is rice, second is wheat. So for growing wheat, which kind of climatic temperature? It requires 20 degrees Celsius temperature for growing. Kitna? 20 degrees Celsius for growing. And rainfall amount, it require rainfall between 50 to 75 centimeter. 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall require, which moderate temperature require. 50 to 75 centimeter. Wheat require clear sky, sunshine when it ripen, and it also grown temperature region where the rainfall between 50 to 75 centimeter. Now next is which kind of soil? It require loam soil or fertile silt. Loam soil and fertile silt soil. Well-drained loamy soil. Fine. And it is very common in USA, the temperate grassland of USA, prairies, which is known as the basket of the world because the surplus production of wheat, and very common in North India, and Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia, and in India it is grown in winter. Fine, everyone. Now come to the next. Millets. Yes, the millets is also known as the coarse grain, and it can be grown in a less fertile area. It means it is grown in the arid region where the rainfall is very less. Rainfall is very less. Millets is cultivated in a dry region, semi-arid region. So need the temperature 25 degree to 30 degree Celsius. इतना गर्मी की require होता है for growing, and the rainfall require 50 centimeter to 70 centimeter. Country produce in our area which where the millets produce, like India, China, Nigeria or Niger. Now that is grow in sandy soil, less fertile sandy soil. So you remark over here, millets, the temperature required for 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The rainfall required, less rainfall 50 to 70 centimeter. The soil is less fertile soil. Sandy soil you write down over here. Low rainfall, sandy soil and area like China, India, Nigeria. Now come to the next one is maize, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मक्का, which is known in Hindi as a makka. Maize require moderate temperature. So fifth crop, major crop is maize, and you can see in this picture the maize is also available, is known as corn, and which is in various color. You found in maize in various color, multicolor. Okay. Now, and also you can see this maize, the piece of the small maize on your pizza. Baby maize कहते हैं ना? That is. So the maize require which kind of temperature? Moderate temperature, 20 degree to 24 degrees Celsius. Write down the temperature 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. First the crop is, fifth crop is, no, the first is rice, wheat, millets. Now the next fourth one is maize. Temperature required 20 to 24 degrees Celsius and average rainfall is 50 to 70 degree centimeter. Now which kind of soil it grow? It's grow in well drained fertile soil. Well, it needs for grow well drained fertile soil. And the area of the maize are North America, Brazil, China, India, Canada, Russia and Mexico. The fifth one is, write down cotton. Fifth major crop, cotton. Cotton require, for growing cotton, it require high temperature or light rainfall, 200 to 10 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its grow, and it requires black soil, black alluvial soil. So you write down for the cotton, high temperature 25 degrees Celsius and light rainfall, soil black alluvial soil, areas India, USA, China, Pakistan, Egypt, and it is also a provide raw material for the cotton textile industry. It is the one of the main raw material for cotton textile industry. Now come to the next one is jute. You can see the jute in the sack is made out of jute. Jute is also known as the golden fiber. Why? Because of its color and its value. The many things is made out of jute like carpet, bags, and it is also used in industries for packing, etc. So the sixth one is jute, known as jute के नीचे you write down golden fiber. It require which kind of temperature? Which kind of temperature? (25 degrees Celsius temperature and rainfall approximately 150 centimeter. Jute require 150 centimeter rainfall and 25 centimeter temperature. And jute area is China, Bangladesh and India. It is mainly grown in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Tirupura. And it requires alluvial soil, grow well on alluvial soil. That is why it is grown at Ganga Brahmaputra Delta area, because that is alluvial fertile area. Now next come on coffee, beverages. Now write down coffee, temperature, warm and wet climate. Soil is loamy soil. An area in India like Assam, Darjeeling, China. (15°C to 20°C temperature required. 15° to 20°C temperature required, and 100 centimeter rainfall required. 100 centimeter. Less than 100 centimeter. It requires less than 100 centimeter. Isn't it? No. If there is a less than 100 centimeter rainfall, so they require irrigation facility for growing coffee. If there is a less than 100 centimeter rainfall is there, so it requires well irrigation required for growing coffee. So you write down 100 to 150 centimeter rainfall required. Tea. Tea is another beverage crop grown on plantation. This requires cool climate and well distributed high rainfall. So it requires temperature up to 25°C and about 200 centimeter rainfall per year. 200 centimeter rainfall per year. And it is growing humid subtropical region. Okay. Need alluvial soil. Tea require alluvial soil. Areas are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Assam. Half of the tea produced in India from in Assam, because it requires lots of rainfall, heavy rainfall, not heavy rainfall, 200 centimeter. It requires lots of water, so it requires heavy rainfall. Now, interesting fact, who discovered the coffee plant? Okay, Arav Sehgal, please read. Who discovered the coffee plant?
Interesting fact. Who discovered the coffee plant? There are different versions about the discovery of coffee. In about AD 850, Qazi, an Arab goat herder, he was puzzled by the queer and tactics of his flock. Tasted the berries of the evergreen bush on which the goats were feeding. On experiencing a sense of exhilaration, he proclaimed his discovery to the world.
Thank you, Arav.